नहीं आती है, तो गवर्नमेंट जॉब के लिए मुझे इलेक्ट्रिकल या ऐसा कुछ कोर्स करना पड़ेगा, इलेक्ट्रिकल या सिविल। यहाँ पे गवर्नमेंट जॉब को लेकर के इतना ज़्यादा मतलब लोग हैं कि जैसे जॉब, अगर गवर्नमेंट जॉब मिल गया तो भगवान भगवान मिल गया ऐसा। डिप्लोमा इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग के लिए मेरा एडमिशन भोपाल में हो गया। वहाँ पे कॉलेज जो है सिर्फ एक बिजनेस चल रहा है, वो कॉलेज कॉलेज नहीं है। लाइक इट्स ओनली अ मनी मेकिंग मशीन एंड वी आर द रॉ मटेरियल फॉर दैट। बड़ी फैमिली होने के बाद जो है पापा पे थोड़ा लोड बहुत ही ज़्यादा आ गया। उनका जितना भी सेविंग्स था वो उन्होंने फर्स्ट ईयर के फी में डाल दिया। फाइनेंशियली प्रॉब्लम्स घर में होने लगे थे, तो मेरे जो कजन ब्रदर थे जिसके थ्रू मैं भोपाल पहुंचा था, छोटी सी ट्रेवल्स एजेंसी थी उसकी, मैं उनको बोला कि भैया ऐसा करते हैं, मुझे थोड़ा पैसे की ज़रूरत है। फिर उन्होंने मेरा सारा कुछ ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस बनवाया, ओला उबर में आईडी बनवाया।
की करे है नहीं करे यही सब लगे यार की जब गाड़ी के बारे में पता चलले कि आशीष गाड़ी चलवे छे तो हमरा बतवे भी नहीं रहे, हमरा टेंशन हो गए कि गाड़ी चलवे छे। हम लोग सब मजदूरी करके आशीष को पढ़ाए हैं, इतना मजदूरी करके पढ़ाए हैं ना कि आशीष जानेगा।
एक बार भोपाल में बहुत तेज बारिश हो रही थी और मेरा टायर पंचर हो गया। मैं उस बारिश में ही टायर चेंज करने के लिए उतरा, गाड़ी को साइड में लगाया। टायर चेंज करते वक्त पता नहीं अचानक से मुझे क्या हुआ, मैं एकदम से ज़ोर ज़ोर से रोने लगा। और मैं ये सोच रहा था कि मैं क्या करने भोपाल आया था और ये क्या हो रहा है मेरी लाइफ के साथ। मुझे अपनी वो लाइफ बिल्कुल भी एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं थी। आई डिसाइडेड टू चेंज माई लाइफ एट दैट मोमेंट। तो जैसे डेली की तरह मैं सुबह जगा और कैब्स के लिए जो है मैंने ऑनलाइन किया। बहुत देर तक टाइम तक बुकिंग नहीं आई, तो मैं उसको जो है मिनिमाइज करके और गूगल फीड खोला। एक आर्टिकल देखा मैंने मसाई स्कूल के बारे में। यू डोंट नीड टू पे एनी अपफ्रंट फी। जब आपकी सैलरी 5 लाख या पर साल 5 लाख पर साल या उससे ऊपर हो, तभी आपको कॉलेज को या इंस्टीट्यूट को मसाई स्कूल को फी देनी। जो भी जिसको भी पता चला था तो वो बोलते थे अरे ऐसा थोड़े होता है, मतलब ऐसे थोड़े ना जॉब लग जाती है, या घर बैठे तुमको कोई पढ़ा करके जॉब लगा देगा क्या, ये लोग टाइम वेस्ट हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है। मुझे लगता है क्या हो रहा है, मैं तो सीख रहा हूँ। और मैं जो सीखना चाहता था, जिसके प्रति मैं इतना ज़्यादा क्यूरियस था बचपन से, वो चीज़ मैं अभी सीख रहा हूँ।
We are not going to charge any upfront fees from our students. They are going to basically, once they graduate and start earning above 5 lakhs per annum, then only they pay us fees. If we fail to basically make them employed in a job which is paying less than 5 lakhs per annum, we are not liable to take any money, or we should not be taking any money. So that's the simple statement through which Masai School was born in June 2019. And it's been 3.5 years since we have started Masai. Till now, we have been able to graduate and place over 2,000 students across different batches. Around 25 batches have graduated so far. We have currently 7,000 plus students studying with us across different learning tracks. We have students, those who have graduated. The average CTC in Masai School stands at 7.5 lakhs per annum, which is higher than most of the IITs and NITs put together. The long-term vision that we have for Masai School is that we wanted to build a world where everyone is going to realize their true potential and can contribute to tomorrow's workforce. In simple terms, we wanted to build world's largest outcome-based education system, which is going to graduate 1 lakh students every year, place 1 lakh students every year, and at the same point of time, one of the most important thing that actually helped Masai School in its journey, and that is something which we are so proud of, is that we are an impact first education company because we don't charge any upfront fees. We tend to attract the students, those who come from economic weaker section of the society. And in the last 3.5 years of our journey, we have been able to uplift close to 200 families out of poverty line. And this is one of the biggest feat that we have achieved so far, and it would not have been possible without the amazing bunch of team members that we have and amazing amazing students, those who basically work with us and help us in basically improving ourselves. And the long-term vision is that we wanted to bring every year 10,000 families out of poverty line in our country. So that's the goal, that's the mission on which we are on. I'm here to basically make three very, very important announcements today. The first one being that we have raised Series B of $10 million, which is led by our existing investor Omidyar, and then our existing investor Uniters and India Quotient participated in it. And at the same point of time, I'm super thrilled to announce that we have 3 more investors on our cap table. 2 of them are the remarkable sports people from our country who is inspiration for millions of people, Baichung and Mithali. They are joining us as an investor on our cap table. Second important announcement that I wanted to do is Masai always focused on 0 to 1 program, which is students, those who are graduated, those who are high school dropout, those who are college dropouts. They come to Masai School to start their career, which is a flagship program that we have. We were majorly focusing on graduates, high school dropouts. Now we are entering into 2 other arenas as well. The first one being Scholar Program, which is a program meant for college students, those who are there, those who are studying in colleges. How can we basically make them skilled? How can we utilize their time when they are in college so that by the time they graduate, they can get into a job? So this is one of the programs that we are starting. And the other one that we are starting is Masai X, which is a program meant for students, those who are already in tech careers, but they now wanted to move from one ladder to another ladder, which is moving towards senior software developer. So these are the 2 programs that we are starting. And third big announcement is that we are announcing today the scholarships for our students, those who are our top performing students. And some of them are over here, and it is going to be for our existing students and all the upcoming students. So we are announcing scholarship worth 1.5 crores every year for Masai School students, those who are, it is on the basis of pure merit, and those who are the toppers. So this is something which is starting in collaboration with Mithali and Baichung. Wanted to basically speak more about why we chose Mithali and Baichung, and I can't think of any other name apart from Mithali and Baichung to basically be the flag bearer for us to start this amazing journey of scholarship, to basically give that recognition to our toppers. So Mithali and Baichung both represent a level of skill in their respective field that no other player has demonstrated before, and before they started their careers. And thus they are trailblazers in their respective fields.
Please stay. Once you have finished, please stay. Excuse me.